Hi, first graders. Hope you're doing well and enjoying this beautiful weather. This week for reading, we are going to do another strategy with retelling a story. So last week I talked about using sticky notes to help you remember important parts of the story. And today we are going to use a little map to help us with our retelling of a story so we can remember all of those important parts when we go to tell somebody about it. And you can find this on the printable, or you can just write it out like I did here. This is called Somebody Wanted, But So Then. And really, you can use these 5 different headers for any fiction story. You're going to be able to fill in somebody wanted, but so then. So let me show you an example. I don't have this book here. I wish I did, but luckily it's on Bookflix. So you can watch Knuffle Bunny on Bookflix like I did. And I just watched it and I thought to myself, how would I tell someone about this story using this example? So somebody wanted, but so then. So I'm going to start thinking, somebody. Well, that's going to probably be our main character. And our main character here in Knuffle Bunny, if you can think back, I know so many of you first graders have seen this. If not, get on Bookflix and watch it. It's such a good story. So our main character is Trixie. And she loves her Knuffle Bunny. She loves her Knuffle Bunny so much. She takes that Knuffle Bunny everywhere. So she wanted to run errands with Dad and Knuffle Bunny. So I'm going to just write it in here so I remember. Errands. We'll just pretend that that's how that's spelled. Run errands with Dad and Knuffle Bunny. Now, first graders, you know what happens. Are they able to do that? What happens to Knuffle Bunny? Knuffle Bunny gets lost. Knuffle Bunny gets lost. Really, Knuffle Bunny got left behind, didn't they? So, what does Dad have to do? Dad realizes the last second, oh my goodness, Knuffle Bunny is gone. Knuffle Bunny is missing. So what does Dad do? Dad runs around the city looking for Knuffle Bunny. So Dad runs around the city looking for Knuffle Bunny. I don't know if you ever lost a stuffed animal, but oh, it is just the worst. So somebody, Trixie, she wanted to run errands with Dad and Knuffle Bunny, but Knuffle Bunny got lost. So Dad runs around the city looking for Knuffle Bunny. Then finally at the end, he finds Knuffle Bunny and returns Knuffle Bunny back to Trixie. Finds Knuffle Bunny. And the day is saved. Yay! So like I said, first graders, you can do this map with any fiction story that you want. Somebody wanted, but so then. You'll usually always find things to fit into these categories. And then when you go to tell someone about the story, you can think back to these big major points and be able to talk about the book and what happened. So good luck. Use it with a book that you have at home, or do it with Bookflix like I did. Okay, enjoy, have fun, have a great week.